This is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station, live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Denver, Colorado's getting a major snowstorm on Wednesday, May 1st, 2013. People in Denver, Colorado, don't change into summer tires yet. Keep your winter tires on because it's going to be a lot of snow in Denver, Colorado. It's going to be up to 15 plus centimeters of snow on Wednesday, May 1st, 2013. People in Denver, be prepared. Don't take off your winter tires yet. Keep your winter tires on because it's going to be a lot of snow in Denver, Colorado. It's going to be up to 15 plus centimeters of snow and strong winds as well. And here's my advice for people in Denver, Colorado. Be very careful driving your car. Have your winter boots ready. Have your winter jackets ready. Hats and gloves and scarves and ski pants is ready. Have your shovels ready. Have your snow scoops ready. Have your snow plows ready. Have your snow blowers ready. Because it's going to be a lot of snow in Denver on Wednesday, May 1st, 2013. Because it's going to be lots of snow. Do your grocery shopping. Don't wait till the last minute. Do it right now. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi and Coke. Because a lot of snow is going to happen in Denver, Colorado. And there will be lots of car accidents. Because the roads will be very slippery. Roads will be snow covered. Take your time driving your car. Don't slip and slide. Be very careful driving your car in Denver on Wednesday. Take caution. Because the roads are going to be very bad, including main streets and especially side streets in Denver. There's the best chance the cars could get stuck in the snow in Denver, Colorado. Roads will be very bad and slippery and icy conditions in Denver, Colorado on Wednesday, May 1st, 2013. Snow's going to be falling on Wednesday, May 1st, 2013 because lots of snow is going to pile up on the ground in Denver, Colorado, in the streets and side streets and everything in Denver. Do your grocery shopping. Don't wait till the last minute. Do it right now. Take your time driving your car. Be extra careful. And don't want to get in a car accident in Denver, Colorado. Get out your shovels, snow scoops, snow blowers, and snow plows in Denver, Colorado. It's going to be up to 15 plus centimeters of snow in Denver on Wednesday. Weather's going to be very cold as well. Have your hats, gloves, winter jackets, scarves, and ski pants. Don't put away your winter coat yet. Best of luck to you. People in Denver, Colorado, be prepared for a major snowstorm on Wednesday, May 1st, 2013. Good luck and stay safe.